Hello. I'm Chris with the Legacy team, and today we're going to show us making two-piece raised panel doors. We'll see how this is done on Legacy's horizontal workstation. This video will be the first in a short project series of producing all the cabinets and necessary components for a kitchen project. To produce all the doors for this kitchen project, we nested all of the door components over multiple sheets, but here we're going to demonstrate just producing one frame and one door and how they come together. These parts were all produced on Legacy's Maverick 4x8 Gen 4 CNC system with the auto tool change and vacuum table options. Now the first tool is this 5mm drill, and that's simply going to create a through hole for the handle hardware of the door. The next cutter is a 1/4 inch up spiral cutter to clear out these smaller pockets for the door hinge hardware. To finish the larger areas of the hinge pockets, we used a 3/8 down spiral end mill. That cutter then proceeded to remove the excess material around the outer edge of our raised panels. Next, a 2-inch core box cutter followed along the edges to create a raised cove effect for the panels. Next, a 1/4 inch down spiral end mill is used to cut a dadoed shoulder as well as a through cut so that the raised panel could fit directly into the frame. With all the detail work now complete, we're ready to now cut out the parts from the original sheet. This is done using a 2-cutter process. This first cutter is a 3/8 diameter down spiral roughing end mill. We use this 2-cutter approach for a couple of reasons. First, this roughing cutter can remove material much faster than our finishing tool. Second, our 1/2 inch compression end mill now has less material to remove, which reduces the heat so the cutter lasts longer and gives us a finer finish, which requires less sanding and finish work. We can see that once these parts are all cleaned up, they fit together quite nicely and give us a very clean raised panel look. Even with 6 tool changes, each door took about 10 minutes to cut. And with a little light sanding, this door is now ready to be painted and assembled with the rest of the cabinet. I hope you enjoyed that cutting demonstration. This is one of many woodworking disciplines that can be produced on our machines. If you'd like to learn more about Legacy CNC systems and what they can do for you, visit our website at legacywoodworking.com. You can always talk to one of our CNC experts by calling 801-491-0010. If you'd like to see more cutting demonstrations like these, just click right over there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check that notification box, and if you have any questions or comments, just leave them right down below. As always, thanks for watching, and remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.